Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Mama Double N. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for always watching my videos. Yes, I'm going to show you how I baked this delicious Nigerian fish roll. Trust me, you are going to love it. Don't go nowhere and watch this video till the end. So guys, as you can see, I have my one mackerel fish here and half Maggi cube. I've added the Maggi cube to the pot and I added some curry as well, some thyme. I'm also going to add my black pepper and my mixed spices as well to give it that good taste. Okay, so as you can see guys, after doing that, I added half cup of water to the pot. I'm going to bring this to a boil, like use the water to cook the fish, okay, so that it will be cooked, or like everything will just mix properly. And as you can see, my fish is ready, so I'm going to debone the fish now, like remove the bones from the fish. Okay, it is very important to remove the bones because you don't want the bones to be in the fish roll. If not, you will not enjoy it. Okay guys, it is very important. So as you can see, I have also my thunfish here as well. I will be adding it to the fish roll, okay, to the mackerel fish I have. So now I'm going to start frying, adding my oil to the pan. I'm going to add my salt and then add my onions to it also to let it fry. Yes, so you can also add garlic, like fresh garlic as well, but I decided to not use it because I don't like the taste at the moment. Okay, so now I'm just going to let the onions fry and then add my spices, like my thyme, my spices, the mixed spices, my black pepper, and yeah, so I'm also going to add the rest also, guys, just watch. Yes, that's the black pepper that I'm adding to it too. Okay, so after that, I added my paprika to it, like the dried powder paprika, sorry, the powdered paprika. Okay, so I'm just going to now add the fish, the mackerel fish that I deboned already. I'm going to add it to the pan, and also the thunfish, the already canned thunfish. Okay, I'm going to add it to it. I just like the taste, the aroma. Okay, yes, that's why I decided to use that. You can also not use it, like it's optional, depends on what you want. You can decide to use only the mackerel fish or the canned thunfish. Okay, so as you can see, I added my dried garlic powder to the pan. I'm also going to add my dried paprika as well, and after that I'm going to add my salt as well. Okay, yes, I added also the thyme, salt, and now I'm going to just mix everything together, like stir everything together. Okay, so and after that guys, as you can see, the mackerel fish is ready, so I'm just going to put that aside and let it cool down a little bit. So guys, now is the flour process. I'm going to start mixing my flour now. I'm going to use 4 cups of flour, and I'm also going to filter or strain it, okay, because I want the fish roll to be like really smooth. I don't want to see any crumbs or anything there. Okay, that's why I decided to do it like this. If you want your fish roll to be smooth and looking so beautiful, you have to strain it. Okay guys, yes, so that's it. I'm going to use 4 cups of flour like I said, and I'll just continue the process till I get to the next step. And I'm done straining the flour. This is the cup that I used to measure it. 1 cup is equal to 250 milliliter. I have my 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I have also my 250 milliliter of butter there as well. I'm going to just first of all stir or turn the dried ingredients there together, and now I'm going to add my 250 milliliter of butter to the flour and mix everything together. I also have some milk there as well. That is not condensed milk, it is the normal milk there that you are seeing. Okay, yes, the reason why I used milk is because I want it to be like soft and rich. Okay, I also added 1 beaten egg to the flour as well. Okay, so I'm just going to mix everything together till I get that till I get what I want. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to add the milk to the bowl bit by bit. Okay, you just have to be careful when mixing the flour with the milk or water, because we don't want it to be too soft or too thick. It is better when it's too thick, then you can add more water, but when it is too soft, it won't be good. Okay, so just follow that process properly. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have properly mixed the flour. So I'm going to put the flour in the on the pan, on the board, and use my hands to like mix it properly again, because we want everything to be really smooth. Okay, because we don't want to see any crumbs on the flour. Okay, so and as you can see guys, my hands are really clean. I washed my hands again. It is very important to keep your kitchen clean, like your hands and everything clean. Okay, so now I'm going to use my nylon bag to cover the flour that I already mixed for 30 minutes. The reason is because we want it to rest well, so that everything will just like blend, like go inside. Okay, yeah, so after 30 minutes the flour is ready. So now I'm going to cut the flour into 4 parts and start mixing. Yes, so I'm going to cut my dough into 3 parts and start adding the fish to the dough. And I'm going to take the other 2 away from the board, like from my board, and then start mixing with one, like before I add the fish to the dough. I know you understand what I'm trying to say guys. Yes, so now I'm going to properly like roll this dough, mix it properly, roll it, and then add my fish to the dough. Okay, so now as you can see, I'm still rolling. It is very important to do this so that you will have that smooth and beautiful fish roll. Okay, yes, so you just have to cut the part like the rough part out, and then add the fish. As you can see, like I'm doing here, I started adding the fish. After adding the fish, I'm going to roll it later on. Yes, I also have my egg here that I'll use to also wash the dough. Okay, so that it will give that beautiful beautiful look. Yes, so as you can see, after adding the fish, I have to roll the dough, like roll everything properly and make sure that it is also very neat so that it will look beautiful as well. So I'm just going to do it till I get everything wrapped or rolled, and after that I'm going to cut it in the pieces that I want it to be. Okay, you can decide on how you want to cut yours. It is very okay. Yes, so that's how I did mine, and I'm also going to continue with the next process. Okay, I just have to make everything fast because we don't have too much time. Yes, so I'm going to continue with this process till everything is rolled, and we'll put it in the oven. And after rolling, I'm going to cut it as well. After cutting, I'm going to arrange the fish roll in the oven pan, and after arranging it in the oven pan and also rubbing the egg on it. I'm going to put it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, as you can see, I'm using my spoon. Unfortunately, I can't find my brush. I have to use the spoon, sorry. So I have to use my spoon to rub the eggs on the fish roll so that it will give you that beautiful look. Okay, and you just have to use your fork to do this so that you will have that beautiful fish roll. Okay, yes, after doing that, I'm going to put it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. See you later. And ta-da! Look at this fish roll. Look at how delicious it is looking. Yes guys, that's how I baked this delicious fish roll you are seeing here. I hope you enjoyed watching and it was super easy for you to follow as well. Thank you so much for watching from the start till the end. And guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Subscribe, click on the bell icon so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. Also, please share the video with your friends, loved ones, like and comment as well. See you in my next video. Bye.